Siguro abangan nyo sa Jeru Heavy Bombers ngayong season 100 is yung mas pinatibay and mas pinalakas na Jeru Heavy Bombers.
Bibigay namin yung best namin each and every game and papakitang gilas kami.
You guys should watch out for us playing as best as we could, as hard as we could. We're well known for being physical and being very, high energy team. So yeah, wait for that.
Abangan nyo kami na madaming rookies and magko-compete po kami and masama sa Final Four.
So yun, magiging disiplinado kaming player, willing to win lagi kami, and go hard lagi tsaka sa depensa.
Ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na nagre-ready na talaga kami para makapasok na sa Final Four kasi last year nag-short kami 1 game. Kaya ngayon mas magko-compete pa kami lalo, magpapalakas.
Abangan sa JRU is ganun pa rin, same as last season na lahat magsa-start sa defense, which is gusto ng pinapagawa ng mga coaches namin, and yun lang, abangan nila yung teamwork namin as a team at si Mr. Teo Pabico.